Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I will tell you how to recite kalma طيبة or shahada correctly because some of us do not know how to recite La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah in a perfect manner. The first thing is that there are just few words in kalma sharif, so we should try to recite it entirely so that we do not miss any harka like dhamma or kasra or fatha, which is called zer zabar pesh in Urdu, as it is better to recite it with complete Arab like La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Now the word Allah is called Ismul Jalala in tajweed, and if anywhere in the Holy Quran the last letter before word Allah has fatha or zabar or dhamma or pesh on it, then it will be pronounced with high tone as Allah. And if the last letter before the word Allah has kasra or zair on it, then we pronounce the word Allah in low tone, for example, Bismillah. So we pronounce the first part as La ilaha illallah. Now in the next part, Muhammadur Rasulullah, there is shad on the word meme, and in Holy Quran, if there is shad on letter meme or noon, then it has to be a bit elongated to two harakatain. So we pronounce Muhammadur Rasulullah. To conclude, we should pronounce Kalma Sharif as La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.